Hello all. So this is for the door node, and this is for the security camera node, and we have a circuit diagram over here which have a 5 volt to ampere adapter power supply, which is going to connect with this micro USB pin, and this will supply positive and negative 5 volt to ESP32-CAM. We will attach it in this. This is our main PCB, which have connectivity for power, for PIR, for relay module. Relay module will be attached to give you an option to connect this kind of solenoid door lock kind of system, which will get power from this and the 12 volt 1 ampere adapter. Or you can have another option if someone have their door already with some smart lock or something, that they can also use with the relay module to actuate or deactivate. These are some jumper wires which will help us to connect the relay and PIR to the PCB and this. So, and we are also having some casing, the cover and the casing for this. We have a hole to, we can drill it, and we can screw and hang in the wall like this, right? So okay, so let's build this thing. Yeah. So we will first attach the main PCB, which will hold our ESP32-CAM, and you can check where are the positive and negative side of it. Then you can have a look into this. This particular rail is for 5 volt, and you can see it's going out there, and this is powering up to this positive side of it, right? So this 5 volt and one 5 volt over here, you can see those things should be mentioned, and it will be like this, having a, a female header. We'll just need to put it like this. So once you place this pins over there, then we will place it inside it. Over here we have a place to keep it over there. So we'll use some double-sided tape to affix it, and then we will place it over there. So it's going to be like this, because you can see that as for our camera and all, should be like this, right? And just a little bit of pressing that, yeah, that will affix it. Then we'll keep it aside right now. Then we will put this power cable with the micro USB jack, and we put it over there. You can see our hole will be there, and for that we can use a glue gun to just stick it up, and we can just nicely apply some glue over there, and then just pressing it up so that it can get fixed. And then you can also apply glue over here and over here. Yeah. You can also use some sort of Feviquick or Fevi sticks that will also help you to affix it. So this negative we will connect over here, this positive we will connect over here, and you can just put these things over here. Then we need to place it over here. As you can see, the relay module should go like this, right? So we'll also take an help again with the tape, double-sided tape. And then again need to press like this, right? Put it over there and press like this. Just it's better to use some of the glue over here as well, so that it will get a final touch of fixing. So this is how you can place it. You can also connect it well like this. The middle one is the ground one. As per the circuit diagram over there, you can connect it very well. Middle one is the ground, this side is the positive, this side is going to go for GPIO 16. So this we will connect it over here, and one more over here. So this ground you can connect it first over here. So you can check which one is for the relay. It's positive, ground, then data. So you can like ground. For data we have used purple wire. For positive we have used purple wire, and for data we have used blue wire. So like this you can add some jumper wires. Like this. Then we can also use a screwdriver to do some connection with our this kind of module. Here you can see middle one is the common, and then NC and N. So you can apply that like this. Just taking ground wire over here. Like this you can add it and tie it up. The positive side will go to the positive side of this jack. So this is the one. We'll remove this. You can use a much longer wire as per your application towards the door. Then to get the ground to complete the circuit, we'll add it to normally open, so that whenever we'll get the trigger, it will get closed and the circuit will get completed and the actuator will get activated. Just place it and push it over there and just tighten it up like this. Okay. Then later you can connect this adapter directly to this jack and supply power especially for this, the 12-volt adapter. For right now we'll remove it. Now with this PIR sensor we will use the same connection and we will give it to the pin number 2. You can also check the convention. It's mostly hidden, VCC output and then ground. So VCC is over here, output is in the middle, and the ground is over here. So like that you can connect it in this particular side of the circuit board. So ground, data and voltage. Like this. Right. Then it will going to be placed it over here. So we'll just put wires on that side, and then this casing I have added some tape and you can put it over there like this. Just stick it. Okay, so it will be like that. This hole is for camera to view the things, and then you need to place it like this. It's just a simple casing, right? So this is how you can also see the camera is visible over here, right? This PI will detect movement, camera will detect who's the one, and then this will get initiated whenever the Aigis will send the command. To power this whole circuit, we will use this USB 2 ampere jack. We will add this over here, and this micro USB to this particular thing, like this. So this will power the whole module, and this particular will power the any kind of actuator that you are having. So this is how the door node is.